this simple tutorial, I will teach you how to draw straight hair, and in this video, we will be practicing on our favorite Isabella. And as you can see, I already have my canvas with her face ready, and now we will get started with her hair. In order to do so, I created a new separate layer for her hair. And now we are going to go to canvas and make sure that our reference tool is on. Then we're going to click on image, import image, and we're going to import the same picture we used to draw her face. And now we're going to make it a little bit bigger, maybe move it to the side, and this will help us get all the shadows and highlights right. For this task, I will be using my custom-made flowing hair brush for drawing the silhouette of her hair, and I basically took the original Procreate brush and then changed some of its settings to make it look a little bit more dense, I guess. And this brush isn't only helpful for drawing hair, I also use it a lot for drawing silhouettes in general, and I also use it for drawing the silhouette of Isabella as well. Our silhouette is pretty much done, but I feel like her hair isn't that fluffy, so I will go ahead and click on the little magic wand, select liquify, and make sure that I'm using the push tool, and this way I will push her hair in the right place. It's just about time to add some color, highlights, and shadows to her hair, and the clipping mask tool will be my best friend in this case. We will create a new layer on top of our silhouette and turn on the clipping mask for that layer. This will allow us to stay within the silhouette and still have the ability to delete it or turn it off in case we mess up. We will start drawing the highlights, and to select the right colors, we will use the color picking tool, which you can activate by either tapping on the little box in between the size and opacity bars, or you can also hold down on the screen and release it once it's set on the right color. The key is to use my custom flowing hairbrush. You just need to select it as your smudge tool, and then you simply drag your Apple Pencil across her hair, and as you can see, it looks so much more realistic now. I love using this fur and hair brush, pack, or set, whatever you want to call it, and usually I use it for drawing single strands of hair. right now I'm using the highlight brush in that pack to lighten some of the strands of her hair in this area right here, but later on you will see me use some other brushes in that pack to add some messiness to her hair and overall make it look a little more realistic. Alright guys, I feel like we're done with our hair, and again, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it somewhat helpful, and make sure to follow my YouTube channel right now for more simple Procreate tips, tricks, and tutorials. Bye y'all, see you in the next video.